How to develop a successful trading mindset. Ever wondered why some traders consistently profit while others struggle? It's not just about the charts, it's about what's between your ears. This video will reveal the secrets to developing a winning trading mindset. Trading is often perceived as a purely technical skill. Analyzing charts, understanding indicators, and executing trades are undoubtedly important. However, these skills alone are not enough to guarantee success. A successful mindset is the bedrock of profitability in the volatile world of trading. It's the mental framework that guides your decisions, manages your emotions, and keeps you on track, even when the market throws curveballs. Without it, even the best strategies can crumble. Developing a winning trading mindset is a journey, not a destination. It requires consistent effort, self-reflection, and a willingness to adapt. Let's dive into the core principles that will set you on the path to success. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. This is crucial in trading, where the market is constantly evolving. Embrace the challenge and view setbacks as opportunities to learn. Trading is a continuous learning process. The market is dynamic and new strategies emerge constantly. Stay curious, explore different approaches, and never stop seeking knowledge. Be open to new strategies and techniques. What works today might not work tomorrow. Adaptability is key to staying ahead of the curve and maintaining profitability. Adapt to market changes by constantly analyzing and refining your approach. The market is a living organism, and your strategies must evolve with it. Accept mistakes as learning opportunities. Every trader makes mistakes. It's how you learn from them that matters. Analyze your errors, identify the root causes, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Refine your approach based on experience. Keep a trading journal to track your trades, analyze your performance, and identify areas for improvement. This will help you develop a personalized trading style that suits your strengths. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. This is a critical skill for traders, as emotions can often lead to impulsive and irrational decisions. Trading can be emotionally draining. The constant fluctuations of the market can trigger feelings of fear, greed, and anxiety. Learning to manage these emotions is essential for making sound trading decisions. Manage fear and greed by recognizing their influence on your decision-making. Fear can cause you to exit trades prematurely, while greed can lead you to hold on to losing positions for too long. Control impulsivity by developing a predefined trading plan and sticking to it. Avoid making spontaneous decisions based on market noise or emotional reactions. Stick to your plan, even when the market is volatile. Your trading plan should outline your entry and exit points, risk management rules, and profit targets. Deviating from this plan can lead to costly mistakes. Avoid emotional decisions by taking a step back and analyzing the situation objectively. If you feel overwhelmed or stressed, take a break from trading and clear your head. Practice mindfulness and self-awareness to become more attuned to your emotional state. This will help you identify triggers that lead to emotional trading and develop strategies for managing them. Discipline and patience are two sides of the same coin. Discipline allows you to stick to your trading plan, while patience allows you to wait for the right opportunities to present themselves. Discipline is needed to follow your plan consistently. This includes adhering to your risk management rules, entry and exit points, and profit targets. Avoid impulsive actions by resisting the urge to chase quick profits or react to market noise. Stick to your predefined trading plan and wait for the right opportunities to align with your strategy. Patience is key to waiting for the right opportunities. Not every day is a trading day. Sometimes the best course of action is to sit on the sidelines and wait for the market to present favorable conditions. Avoid chasing losses by resisting the urge to revenge trade. After a losing trade, it's tempting to try and recoup your losses immediately. However, this often leads to further losses. Develop a structured trading routine to create consistency and discipline. This routine should include time for market analysis, trade planning, and execution. Set realistic goals to avoid frustration and discouragement. Aim for consistent, sustainable profits rather than trying to get rich quick. Avoid overtrading by limiting the number of trades you take each day or week. Overtrading can lead to fatigue, impulsive decisions, and increased risk. Risk management is the cornerstone of successful trading. It's the process of identifying, assessing, and mitigating potential losses. Without a solid risk management plan, even the best trading strategies can fail. Understand your risk tolerance before you start trading. This is the amount of money you are comfortable losing on any given trade. Implement a robust risk management strategy that includes setting stop-loss orders, limiting position sizes, and diversifying your portfolio. Set stop-loss orders to automatically exit a trade if it moves against you. This will help you limit your losses and protect your capital. Never risk more than you can afford to lose on any single trade. A general rule of thumb is to risk no more than 1–2% of your trading capital on each trade. Regularly review and adjust your risk management plan to ensure it aligns with your trading strategy and risk tolerance. The market is constantly changing, so your risk management plan should adapt accordingly. It's easy to get caught up in the pursuit of profits, but focusing solely on the outcome can lead to emotional trading and poor decision-making. Instead, focus on the process of executing your trading plan consistently. Shift focus to the long-term strategy rather than short-term gains. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on building a sustainable trading system that generates consistent profits over time. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated and build confidence. Acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for sticking to your trading plan. Learn from losses by analyzing your mistakes and identifying areas for improvement. Don't dwell on your losses, but use them as opportunities to learn and grow. Focus on continuous improvement by constantly seeking knowledge, refining your strategies, and adapting to market changes. The best traders are lifelong learners. The world of trading is vast and complex. Continuously educating yourself and seeking guidance from experienced traders can significantly accelerate your learning curve. Continuously educate yourself by reading books, attending webinars, and following reputable trading blogs and forums. The more you learn, the better equipped you will be to navigate the market. Seek guidance from experienced traders or mentors who can provide valuable insights and feedback. A mentor can help you avoid common pitfalls and accelerate your learning process. Accelerate your learning curve by learning from the mistakes of others. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek advice from experienced traders. Developing a successful trading mindset is an ongoing process that requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to learn. It's not a one-time fix, but a continuous journey of self-improvement. Consistency, patience, and learning are key to long-term success in the market. By embracing these principles, you can develop a winning mindset that will help you achieve your trading goals. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Subscribe to our channel for more insightful trading tips and strategies. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and share it with your fellow traders. Also, leave a comment below and tell us what aspects of trading mindset you struggle with the most. Finally, check out the links in the description for our recommended trading resources and tools to help you on your journey to becoming a successful trader.